As dawn breaks, the skyline of Edirne is unveiled, the Selimiye Mosque grandly claiming its place against the awakening sky. Selimiye Mosque, Mimar Sinan's Ottoman masterpiece, a testament to architectural genius. A drone circles above, revealing the majestic Selimiye Mosque in its full glory. Words materialize, revealing its history. Commissioned by Sultan Selim II. Designed by Mimar Sinan, the ablution fountain stands prominently in the colonnaded courtyard. The text appears. Located in Edirne, the Ottoman capital before Istanbul. The camera sweeps across the immense prayer hall, a testament to architectural grandeur beneath its central dome. Sinan's crowning achievement appears, a bold declaration of artistic triumph. The dome's interior unfolds, revealing arabesques and Quranic verses in a symphony of light, space, and artistry. On-screen text appears, a symphony of light, space, and artistry. A symphony of colors and patterns unfolds across the walls, as over 30 Iznik tiles dazzle in vibrant blue, red, and green. The mihrab stands, a stark white beacon, its alignment a silent devotion to Mecca. The marble minbar is shown. Minbar? Intricate latticework. Beneath the dome, an elevated marble platform stands, resonating with echoes of sacred chants. Inscribed words appear declaring, Muezzin Mafili, acoustically optimized for chants. The külliye sprawls beneath the sun, a testament to Ottoman vision. Külliye, a model of Ottoman urban planning, the text appears, framing the scene. The Arasta Bazaar bustles with life, its many shops promising a day of trade and commerce. As dusk descends, the mosque stands radiant, bathed in the soft, fading light. The inscription completed, when Sinan was 80 appears, echoing through the silent evening. From high above, the Selimiye Mosque rises, its silhouette a bold challenge to the ancient landmarks of Edirne. The mosque stands silhouetted against the rolling hills, a symbol of architectural legacy. Text appears on the screen. Influence on later mosques, like Istanbul's Blue Mosque. Inside the mosque, a serene yet vibrant atmosphere fills the air, hosts Ramadan prayers and festivals. The mosque comes alive with colorful festivals and shared devotion. Under the clear daylight, the camera captures the full grandeur of the mosque. The mosque stands as a beacon of Ottoman faith and architectural brilliance.